The Ministry of Education, which received the largest amount of funding, was additionally allocated more than 16 billion soms for this year. The increase was at least 50% for all categories. The salary system has been restored. Categories have been introduced, although it said that school teachers' salaries have increased by 80% on average. In fact, in some cases, salaries have increased by more than 3 times, Sadur Japarov said. He also added that starting from this month, attestation will be held in all schools.
Leylek rayonundагы башталгыч класстын мугалимин алалы.
If to take a primary school teachers in the Leylek district, a graduate of a teacher training school, she has no experience. If earlier she was charged 8,846 soms, she receives 7,200 soms after tax. Then from April 1st, she is to receive 23,933 soms, and after tax is 21,800 soms. Thus, the salary has tripled. Another example, a teacher of maths at Ала-Тоо school with a bachelor degree without teaching experience until April 1st received 10,450 soms. Accrual 12,907 soms. Now is to receive 25,300 soms. Accrual is 31,333 soms. Dear teachers, dear parents, at this point we need to focus. We will continue to spare no funding for teacher salaries. As soon as we have the opportunity, we will once again raise salaries. But at the same time, the requirements for them will also increase. If there is no pedagogical diploma, we need to train teachers who have passed a special course, and this summer we need to recruit at least 10 or 15 new teachers in each schools. Preschool teachers also receive an 80% increase. I would especially like to dwell on the junior and technical staff in all ministries. We paid special attention to this issue of fair remuneration of these workers and almost everywhere doubled their wages.